Okay guys, so today's gonna be a quick video. The GTA 6 trailer just dropped, and the day before is when I put my drawing out on Instagram. My link will be down below. Handle is @matherswithdrawn. But yeah, so this is a little quick time lapse of that drawing. I'd say this drawing took me about 3 to 4 days on and off, and I used some like Google images as reference. I think it's one of my cleanest drawings. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna show the final result. I'm kind of upset because it didn't actually record the first bit of me doing the sketch, and it also didn't record the background, so those parts aren't in it, but I'll show you the final version at the end. So sorry about that, but and I've also been sick the past couple days, almost like a week now, and it's been awful, but I'm finally getting this video out there, and I just want y'all to see it, and I hope y'all like it. Let's get to the video. Okay, so this is the sketch that I worked out for like about a day or two. I am inking over it. Also, again, I'm sorry that the sketch didn't get recorded. I don't know what happened on my computer. But yeah, so I'm love this design. As I said, I used a Google reference for the two characters, Lucia, and I don't think the other guy has a name yet. But if y'all haven't seen the Grand Theft Auto trailer, it is amazing. So right here, I'm color picking from these reference images that I was using, and I'm just kind of coloring everything in. Sorry. Now, this was really fun to do. I love anything to do with Grand Theft Auto. Anytime I hear something about the game, it's just been since my childhood. I like make some type of fan art, and this is just super fun. Okay, and this is the final result. I love how it came out. If you love how it came out, please leave a comment below what you like about it. And please follow me on Instagram. That's where I'll be posting a lot of art like this. Also, subscribe on here. Hit the bell notification. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. We just hit 280 subscribers, so thank y'all so much for that. And yeah, look out for more Grand Theft Auto artwork posts, and also my manga series. I'm still working on the character. I think I have a good design for her, so that should be next. And yeah, more artwork to come. Thank you everyone for all the love and support, and peace.